Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you compare your Masterplug Door Chime. Right now you can see it's not paired. If I press that button there, this is plugged in, we have a blue light here, but nothing's happening here. All we have to do is unplug this, we're going to plug it in, and we have to press that button after the first beep but before the second beep. So I'm not going to do it first of all, just to show you the beeps. So I'm going to plug it in now. It's going to beep once, you see there's a blue light, and then after another few seconds it beeps twice. We have to press that in between those beeps. So let's do that now. Plug it in again. I'm just going to let the capacitor drain from the inside. Here we go. And now plug it in. Beep once. Now do this. And there you go. That's how you pair it. So now every single time that will work. Even if you were to have a power cut, just let it drain. Plug it back in. And now I'm just going to let it do its double beep. It should remember it from before anyway. There you go. So now it will be always paired. Thanks for watching.